We were having leaks in our roof earlier this fall because of the rain, and we have a flat roof. We've had people come and try to take care of it before and never really kind of got the issues solved. So I called my real estate agent who recommended Guardian because she had work done by them on her roof. And so we had them come out. I have to say I was really impressed by the service from the beginning. The young man that came out was very attentive, went into a lot of detail, took a lot of pictures, really kind of walked me through what the major issues were, and they put a really nice estimate together. It was very professionally done. Again, I was very impressed, by the service and by the follow through. And then when they started, again, very impressed by the professionalism with the crew that came out. We had a couple issues during the job where there was some windstorms and there was a lot of rain. And unfortunately, a couple times the roof started leaking through the areas that they were working on. But, I called in around 8 or 9 o'clock at night, and within an hour, both times they had a team out here in the middle of the night in pitch black, fixing it, covering it up, making sure that it wasn't leaking anymore. The damage that occurred because of the job, they actually took care of, and it all got cleaned up and finished last week. And I would definitely recommend giving them a call. And they did a great job for us, and hopefully use them again next time if we have any issues.